All right, so the main question is, as I can see, now we should have 2 lectures in a row, and the main question is why I can see only 3 of you. So where's the rest of the group? You don't discuss it together. All right, so today we are going to work a lot in person now. It will be completely only the practical part. You'll have to model and to show me the modeling results. And so the task for the beginning is very simple task. You can see here in my slide 2 processes. So you can see 2 processes. You have to add these 2 processes into your program with certain entity of which has the signal should be not in the signal part but in the entity side, and you should probably have 2 outputs, y1, and here it will be y2, and then build a test bench program, and you'll have to show me the difference, how this result differs from this result at different circumstances. So that's your task. So launch model sim and start programming. You have to do it by your own. So if you have any questions about the task, please ask. So we'll work like this. As soon as you accomplish it, you say it to me, and you'll have to share your screen to share it with me and with all the colleagues. Okay? Any questions? All right, so then start programming, and I'm waiting for your feedback. If you have any questions, I'm always here for you to communicate. So the program includes 2 processes, so two parts of sequential logic, and you have to supply from the test bench program A, B, and C, and read y1 and y2. You can name them as you like. Build a test bench and show me the timing diagrams. I could show you what I would like to see. A moment. I will also show you the wave approximately of what I would like to see. Okay, so the result for sure you will decide how will you supply inputs and outputs. And the timing diagrams should look something like that. Right, we have A, B, and C. Here you can see in time A, B, and C inputs, and here is input with a full sensitivity list, and you can see that it always, as it is free input AND gate, it's equal to 1 only when all three are ones, and in this state you can see that all are the same. But if we are varying, or if any of them is varying in this part, it is 0. But in this point, the one with a full sensitivity list reacts to the variation of this one, to the variation of C, and the last one does not react, as it doesn't have a full sensitivity list. So you have some way show me something similar to that, and prove and explain to gain a better understanding what for do we need the full sensitivity list, and what happens if we don't employ it. So that's something basically what I want from your side. Okay. So once again, if you have any questions, you are free to ask, and if not, please continue, start working on the task. All right, so no questions. Yes, that's well, it's not the best solution, but still at least something. You can, if you are together in pair, so work in pair. But remember, you'll have to have a separate computers for the exam. But yeah, that's fine for sure. Because at the moment, my idea is to teach you, for you to gain some understanding. So you can work together, two of you in a pair. That's not a problem. All right, so, well, you have to solve it prior to the exam, don't forget. All right, so please continue. Any other questions? All right, so I'm here. Just call me, and if you have any questions, or if you want to share already prepared your result. Okay, good luck.
Hello, sir.
It's very hard to hear you. A lot of additional noises.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I think I finished it, but I'm not sure whether it's right. But I'll share you the screen.
All right, so I'll stop share. Please share your screen.
So I created a test bench, right?
Yes, I see. All right.
And
Now, could you show me the program?
this one.
One moment. Yeah, this one. And here is nothing. Here is just a part of concurrent logic. Here should be a process like in my example. And for now, you just added a simple assignment in concurrent logic. So it's you should do it inside the process, and you should model two processes, not one. So first of all, you have to make two outputs, y1 and y2, for example, which will be both outputs.
Okay.
And another part, you should put the assignment state where I is equal to A and B and C. It should be inside a process, and two processes should be the same, only sensitivity lists opposed to processes should be different. But you're on the right way, so please continue. I think in several minutes we'll have a nice result.
Okay.
Right, so.
Yeah.
And for everybody else, how are you doing? Did you prepare already anything?
I'm trying to do the second task or the second process.
But you should imply both processes in the same program, or you could split as you like. It's your choice. All right, please continue. Yes.
Sir, we tried to do the second part and we have some errors while compiling.
All right, so please share the screen and we'll see.
Exit. So this is this code, and the errors are identifier. What was it? Show me. VDL does not identify component declaration.
In line 23.
In line 23.
All right, let's see. First of all, here is port map, and where is the component?
Component is in task in this.
All right, let's see. Here is it. All right, save now everything and compile all. But still, your program is not suitable for anything. But all right. Let's see. Let's find the error. All right, now to press double click on the two errors. All right, and now press on the error, on the red one. All right. All right, and process and behavioral. All right, scroll up a little bit. Again. Up. All right. Now the component. What's the name? What should be the name of a component? The name of a component should be the same with that entity of component you want to connect to. So open your thesis, and what is it here? Task thesis 1, and come back. And here is TB task thesis. All right, now save and compile. All right.
Okay.
Very good, but the program is still the task test is still bad. There are no processes, nothing in it, so you should work on it.
So we should add the process here also, yes?
No, the process should be after the begin and y, and you should add y and x, two outputs, or y1 and y2, and also it should be equal to the same. Something is equal also a and b and c. All right, and you also must add x to your port as well.
Okay.
And good. And now y should be calculated inside of one process, and x should be calculated inside of another process. And the processes, I will once again share screen. You'll see them in the slides.
Where's the screen sharing thingy?
All right, so now I'll share the screen once again. Here it is. Here, process, sensitivity list, y is equal to something. Never process, sensitivity list, x is equal to something else. All right, continue.
So we need to move to.
All right, please share your screen. We'll check how this look like. Yes, the program looks like I wanted. Now I want you to model it and to show me that y1 and y2 differ. So you have to model such a situation in which they will see the different meanings. Could you unmute to hear our explanation? Because Vivian, I cannot hear you. Or just hold the space while speaking.
Hello?
Hello? No, now I hear you perfectly. All right, so press zoom all and we'll look through it. But for me it looks like it's good. The zoom all is the blue one, the magnifying glass near to plus, minus, and the last one of three. Not this one. Yes, this one is zoom all. All right, now it takes, and we can see that but you know, the model is nice, but y is always 0. So you could
Y1 is always 0.
y2 is always 0. I understand why it's always 0. It's because of your provided data by this. But for example, could you please go to TB now? And the first assignment, make them all ones, not zeros, but ones.
Here?
Yeah, change them all to ones. And very good. Now save, press compile all. You can just press on the compile and it's compile all. Now go to simulate, press start, very good. Wave and run all. Very well. Okay, now I see that first of all, y1 and y2 are both ones, and then they are both zeros as a is also alternated, but near the last assignment, near 350 nanoseconds, you change only the meaning of C, therefore the value of A of y2 doesn't change. Very good, good job. Now I want to see the results of everybody else. Very good.
Can I stop sharing the screen?
Yes, sure. Everything is nice.
Sir. Sir, what I tried to do is I put the processes and it compiles, but it says error loading design when simulating it.
All right, share your screen. We'll try to find out some problems.
1 second. Share screen. Here. Okay, so here's the screen. So those are the processes. And when I try to select task 1 test and simulate.
No, you should not simulate it. First of all, you should simulate only TB, not the task. That's the idea.
Still error loading design.
Maybe some problems in TB. First of all, the processes are the same. So return to task thesis. And first of all, change the sensitivity list of second process, as there is no idea of modeling two exactly the same processes. So remove B and C like it was in the task, leave only A. Only A, all right. Save, compile all. Very good. Now delete everything from here. Delete everything. Press near the work. Press on TB on all the programs. Press right click and delete.
Wait, delete here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. And delete all of them. Program 1, everything. Because maybe you have some errors in this part.
Okay.
And delete. All right, now compile and okay. Compile all now. All right, now go back to library. Now here. All right, only TB and simulate. All right, now there should be probably some problem with mapping. All right, so I want to scroll up a little bit, and here we have a component A, B, C, Y, X, and now and task thesis, task 1 test. Task 1 test 1. Okay, now open the task 1 test 1.
This.
It's near. It's the move a mouse downwards. We have a program, another program. Not this one. Another program. No. The next window. We have 2 tabs here.
Yeah. This one.
All right. Let's see. Task 1 test.
And I want $50.
And could you show a little bit more from transcript to see why was it unable to load design? Maybe some problems.
For sure, it's not the full.
It's not loading. Okay, I get what you mean. It's not showing in.
So share the full screen and it will show it to me.
Yep, there.
All right. Here is the problem, but it cannot find task 1 test 1. All right, stop sharing this one. There is some syntax error in names. It could not find it. Just copy the name of the entity, not this one, but the name of the entity.
Okay.
Copy it, and now go to TB task and paste it everywhere you need. So first of all, component.
I don't know what he says.
Paste, and to the dude also before bottom up paste. All right. And now save. Compile all. And now try to simulate.
Okay, so I delete the previous simulations, yeah?
No, no need. Press on TB, right click and simulate.
Wait, so now it's in a different window. It still says error loading design.
All right, so turn off model sim and launch it back. Sometimes.
Okay. All right.
Just press X at the corner and launch it back. It will open the same project and try to simulate once again.
Yes, but I don't want to have this problem, to get stuck someone speaking about what it wants to do.
Still error loading design.
All right, share the screen. We'll find it. It has to be somewhere. All right, and TV task 1 VHD and so your component. Show me the library. No, the library tab, not this one, but the library. Task 1, and now open the TB program once again. Yes, this one. So it's TB task 1 is TB task 1 test 1. Task 1 test 1 is task 1 is we have ABC. All right, scroll down a little bit. All right, ABC. Okay, and here everything will. All right.
I have 10,000 in my box.
All right. Show me once again the transcript of your the transcript.
Oh, okay.
Or just lift it up a little bit, and that's all. Okay. That's probably the problem, that you have installed it wrong. As you can see, you have licensing failure. That's why it doesn't allow you to compile.
License key not found.
Yes. You had to download the license key from Model Tech and install it properly. It's pretty easy. All written how to do it. All right. So while I'll discuss with other students, please fix this problem. It's easy to do directly on their side.
So I uninstall this version and reinstall.
Just you should have received, when you went to the Model Sim page, you downloaded the software, and then it automatically, during the install, redirected you to a certain form, to fill form to receive student installation key.
Yes, I did, and they sent me an email of the confirmation, and I confirmed it normally, and I made an account.
For sure, and later they had to send you the key.
I think they did, and I activated. I'll check now on my email again. From
just please read in the emails. It's pretty simple to activate it. Maybe you moved it to the wrong place or didn't add something. Just check it. All right, the others.
So can I share mine?
Sure.
So can you see the
Yes,
thing?
yes, I can see it.
So I have compiled.
Simulate. And now just go to be program and somehow change the outputs to be different, because now you see they all D and D are all the same all the time. So now go to your TB, open your TB. You don't need to run simulation, it's not necessary, but it doesn't matter. All right, go to your TB.
Like randomly change here?
No, don't need the randomly change. For me, it will be enough if you will change the last one to all 3 ones. All right, save, compile all, and simulate once again. That's nice to see that you're getting familiar with software.
Yes.
All right, and now you can see that in the end, one changes, and the other one doesn't work, as only C is changed and C is not in the sensitivity list. All right, and here there were 2 of you working, yes, or only you one?
Sir, I am the only guy.
I just want to mark a plus. So how many students? Somebody told that they are working together, 2 of you.
That's Habib.
It's us, Habib and Anthony.
And for you, Habib, it doesn't work. All right. So,
yes, we are uninstalling it now, and I'm installing it again.
All right. I see. But still a good job. Now, the others still we have. I think I'll check. You can stop sharing screen, please. All right. So
I get the same problem as Anthony.
So try to follow the instructions of.
But for me, I already did that installation, and I don't get that license error on my thingy.
All right, so show me. Share your screen. All right, so all right, so loading design, and so scroll it up a little bit. All right, so okay, try to simulate and let's see how does it. All right, so it's working. Everything is fine. And view, no, not this one. Also press view object. Well, you can do it like that, but it's indirect links, but doesn't matter. All right. Okay, and this is pretty strange. It shouldn't be like that. Please open TB. I want to see it. Of course. And then Y and X, and now open the program you are modeling, because X is PQR. All right, let's return to wave. PQR, and X is always 0, and that's I see. X and Y. All right. Once again, open the program. I'll be lab task. Not this one, then another one. Okay. So first of all, we calculate Y, then X. Once again, wave. And here is X and Y. All right. That's good. Now go to TB and please start with modeling values of PQR all ones. The first, no, not the last one, the first one. And compile all and simulate once again. No, if you did not stop, just simulate and restart. You have to press, and if you stop, yeah, then simulate. Now run all. Okay, now it looks better. Okay, good job. And who do we have left?
Can I share mine?
Sure. Please stop sharing, and now the last one probably. Not this one, probably. No, the last one is run all. Okay. And now return to wave. And now you see the problem is that they are the same. So please show me your lab 1 VHD. It's TB, the lab 1 VHD. All right. Okay, see Y1, Y2. All right, now let's go to TB, test bench. I see. All right. Let's do few changes for you to see the difference. First of all, scroll down a little bit. In the beginning, we'll start with all ones. Also, A, B, and C, let it be 1. All of them. It doesn't allow you to edit?
No.
It happens sometimes. Then press simulate, stop simulation, and then it will allow. All right, and try now. Not this one, only TB. So we'll start with all ones.
No, I can't type.
All right, so press X and then open it from, not this one, another X here. Yes, now go to project and reopen it. The TB. Yeah, double click. Okay, and try now.
Yes.
No, not working. Good. Change to all ones. All right, and now scroll down. Scroll down your screen, please. All right, and down, down, down. Okay. And this is pretty strange. All right, now save and compile all, and we'll try to compile all, and now simulate. Okay, very well. Let's see. Only. That's good. Just press wave and there is a tab of wave, so it is on. Just select it a little bit right here. Here we go. And you can hold Shift, and then you'll select all of them. Just hold Shift and click on A. Oh, that's the idea. And now press Run All. Okay, let's return to wave. Yes, that's good. Good work. That's all. Yeah, that's good. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students, and please stop sharing screen if you can. And we have 7 today participating, so I'm waiting for another 2. So Habib, that's okay. He already presented. Susit Norris, it's also okay. Then Abdul, great, good job also. Sujari Khan also. So we have 2 students left. It's Mohamed Ahmed and Antoni Yushkevich. So I'm waiting for your modeling. And still have, so how many of you are there? 3 of you?
No, we are 2 only.
All right, so so that's Habib and Antoni, yes?
Yes.
All right, let's. So now Mohamed Ahmed is the only one left.
Yes. I couldn't work, sorry. I joined to see how they are working and how everything, but I couldn't because I'm still in my internship. I'm still in my internship office, so I couldn't work still because I just opened the Zoom from like the company's laptop, so I don't have I'm not allowed to bring my laptop to the office.
All right, so well, I hope you'll try to accomplish this part.
I'm sorry. I still didn't finish my internship. That's why I just like
I understand.
later.
All right. Well, don't forget still, because you'll have to model it, and the exam will be practical. So you'll get some problems if you are unable. Like you could see today that some students have problems, for example, with software, with licensing, and so on. So that's why I want to make sure that all of you have working equipment. All right. So as all of you have presented.
Okay, sorry, sir. I'll try to simulate it during the weekend, and if it's possible, I'll send you an email with a screenshot of the simulation, maybe, or something like that.
Yeah, that would be nice. That would be nice. Also, don't worry. You can write me an email, and we could meet in Zoom even after your internship hours to discuss if you have some problems. That's
Okay.
just I need, that you should initiate it. So just write me an email, and we could meet. And
That would be really nice. Thanks a lot, Professor.
Okay, you're welcome. So the next task is once again for you to model. Now you'll have to show me the difference between the signals and variables. So here is another task. I'll try to maybe do it like this. You'll have to maybe I'll write it in Notepad++. Okay. One moment, I will change the language for you to gain better understanding. No, not this one. This one. I'll share now my screen with you. All right, so now you can see Notepad++. So this is some process which has two inputs A and B and internal variable TMP. And on the exit, you have to assign the value of TMP in this place to something, like before, to X or Y, to any to any output. We'll call it TMP, maybe var. For you to make it easier. So we'll make it like this. And another signal will be TMP sig. Also the same time. STD logic. Okay. And all right, so only like this and like this and like this. All right. So your task is to put this into some program. Only no C. And then somewhere inside the process, you have to assign the value of TMP sig to certain output of your program, and to show me but even it's written the same, but here we are using signal, which is declared here, and here we're using variable, which is declared here. And the idea, you have to show me using test bench that the results are completely different. So please start your personal tasks. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be glad to answer.
Sir, we have another personal task.
Yes, that's another personal task.
Okay, sir, could you give us just 10 minutes because I'm installing now Model Sim again and it's in the process, if you don't mind.
All right, so don't worry. The ones who start working while they'll present, you'll have some time, so don't worry. That's not an issue. Just think of how to do it meanwhile. All right. If you have any questions, please ask. Otherwise, continue working. And in future, I hope that we'll have much more practical tasks in further lectures.
So do we need to make two separate files, one for signal and the other one for variables?
No. The idea is they have to be in the same program because then you can see in timing diagrams them close to each other. You are always allowed to split them into two files and to import them into TB as separate components if you like. It's your choice, but
separate programs, right?
Yeah, but for me, the best idea is to keep them in the same program. The same program is easiest way.
Okay. Sure.
All right.
I'm done. Can I share my screen?
Sure. Please share your screen. All right. Now, first of all, there is no value, but could you model somehow it's A or B? Just change a little bit values to both zeros or to something to see that output of variable can be 0 once again. Could you change the last one to zeros in TB? Yes, the last one to 2 zeros. 0 and then 0. All right, and remodel it. Very good. And this one gets stuck. Yes, that's probably something. Here you can see that in the where with the red line, it's unknown until one input becomes 1, and with OR element, it's always 1. Therefore, the value changes. All right, so so that's good. That's all for today. So that's all. You are now free. Thank you. Good job.
Sir,
Professor?
Yes?
We tried to write the program and it's compiling with 14 errors.
So somewhere there is a mistake. All right, show me your screen, we'll find it.
One second. Here, share screen. Boom. Share. Okay. So that's it. And the errors are, it says unknown identifier temp var, even though I put it as a variable here.
All right. Let's see. Because one is tmp var, another is temp var.
Okay.
Change the name to be the same everywhere.
Oh, okay, that's the problem. Temp var.
Oh.
5 errors now.
Better.
Unknown identifier is still giving the same error.
All right, press on it. Double click on that. Yeah, double click. Why are you using here? Oh, it should be right here. It's not temp var. It should be the signal, but you did not specify the temp signal anywhere before the begins. No, not like this. That's a bad idea to do it like this. As I wrote you, a signal must be before the begin architecture, and then not here, not here, not here, not here. No, not here.
Okay, wait.
Before this begin, yes.
Here. Okay.
And here it's temp sig. First of all, signal, then temp sig, then double dot, and then that's good. Add the word signal, otherwise it won't work. And semicolon in the end of a sentence.
Yes, semicolon.
And change temp var to temp sig. All right, and the last one, remove temp sig from the port. Add something like y1 and y2, like we did before.
Okay.
Not here, not here, no, not here, not here. In the port entity.
Yeah.
And here add y1 and then y2. And you'll assign the outputs to them later. Remove the last semicolon.
Oh yeah, right.
All right, and now we'll compile.
Near behavioral.
And process. You're missing process after the second process. You'll get used to it. The HDL syntaxes is pretty rough. All right, compile. Now it will compile but won't work, and you have to. All right, compile. Yeah, it compiles successfully. Now, in the end of each process, assign the values to an output and then write a TB. But still, now it looks more or less on the right way.
Okay, and within the TB, I have so I guess this should be also y1
and y2. And all right, so stop sharing for a little bit, and now fix everything, and we'll come back to it, because in the program we have to assign in the processes to the output, but you're on the right way. I think you need a few minutes and you'll finish everything.
Gotcha.
All right, you're welcome.
Excuse me, I have a question. I
Yes,
was a bit late. I got stuck in a work meeting. So I just joined. I asked group mates, and they said there are some tasks. Can I
yes,
add
sure.
more?
Yes, sure. That's not a problem. The idea is, well, this is the second task, and now I can also share you.
Yeah, I remember yesterday you said we will have some like tasks for ourselves.
Yes, you're right. Now, one moment, I will share another screen also. I will share this one. So the idea was, the first task was to model these two processes, add both of them to the same program, including two processes, and develop a test bench for it, well, you can add two outputs, y1 for first one and call this y2 for a second one to distinguish them. And as you can see here, we have a full sensitivity list, and here in sensitivity list we have only A, so it will respond only to the process will become active only in response to alternation of A, and will not react at alternation of B and C. And to develop a test bench and to show the difference, that was the task. So you can start it.
Okay. So just a test bench for this code, right?
Yes. So first of all, for this code, to write a test bench, first of all, you have to write this code, add certain entity, well, according to rules, and then write a test bench and model it.
Okay, can you paste this into chat or something, or?
Yes, sure, I can. One moment, I'll try if it will copy. I will paste it directly in chat.
Okay.
For you. Okay. Okay, I think you should have.
Yeah, I see. Thank you.
Right. You're welcome.
Okay, sir, I think we finished. We cannot hear you, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry. Please share the screen.
Okay, 1 second. So here is the task.
And this is very good. All right. And now show me the results of modeling.
Okay.
Just simulate and show me the results.
Okay, so now they're both compiled. So they should be task TV task 2.
And simulate. All right.
Okay. And
just view wave and.
So I'm not sure where to open the wave.
Press on view and wave. File, edit, and then view and wave.
Wave. Okay.
And now select the signals from object and drag them. Wave. Yeah. All right, and now run all. It will be simulate and run all. Now return to wave. Here, a wave. You have a wave already on your screen. It's in a separate tab.
Okay, I see. Yes.
And now zoom all for us to see.
Zoom in.
You could use, well, doesn't matter. And now you see, first of all, it's unknown, and then it certainly becomes known after b is equal to 1, as it's an or needs at least 1 1. But could you go to TB?
TV, yep.
And to change the last one, add additional modeling. Yeah, copy this one and add another one with both zeros.
With all zeros? I have with all zeros.
Yeah, but copy another one to the end of all your test bench.
Okay.
All right, and remodel it, and I think it will be it. I'll see what I want, and you'll understand also the difference. So save, compile all, and simulate.
Also, I should exit this simulation, yes?
No, it doesn't necessarily. Press simulate now.
Simulate.
And then restart. No, not reset. Cancel. Simulate and restart. Okay, and now okay. And now run all. All right, very well. And now you see that the first one works properly, and it's just serial circuit of 2-gate OR elements. The second one, as you connect the output of our OR element directly to the input, it gets stuck in value of 1 and does not react to anything. And prior to that, the value is still unknown. So it's completely inappropriate operation. All right, very well. Who is your colleague, Habib?
Habib.
I'm Habib and
Anthony.
he's Anthony.
And Anthony. Okay, and Anthony. I see. All right. Good job. That's all for today. So you're welcome.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Professor. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. See you next week. Bye.
See you.
Bye.
And I'm waiting for the other ones to accomplish that task.
Sir, I tried to simulate it, but I'm getting like 16 errors.
All right. So share the screen. All right. So let's see. Variable TMP. So variable TMP. If you are using TMP var, so variable must also be TMP var. That's a good start. All right. Try to compile. First of all, save. You did not save. Save and then compile. Better. Show me the error log. All right, let's see.